Alright, now we need to kind of create our scripts and then be able to call our sounds. So actually on my main camera, I'm going to right click on that and create an empty. I'm going to call this game object my explosion sound. And I'm going to go and do the same. I'm going to right click, create empty. I'm going to call it jump sound. I'm going to create all my sounds underneath my main camera. Then on my main camera script, I can create a script that will actually find these sounds and play them when we trigger certain events. So yeah, let me go ahead and create the other empties. So laser sound and power up. Now each of these sounds, they don't have a sound on them, so I'll need to drag and drop an explosion on it. So when you drag and drop from over here, it creates an audio source, an explosion. Jump sound, exact same thing, drag and drop, boom. Laser sound. And when we play this, we might have a small issue. You'll notice that there's this play on wake. So when I play this, it'll actually play all the sounds at once. Which is kind of cool, but not necessarily what we want. So the first thing we might want to do is actually go in and uncheck that play on wake. So on each of those sounds, uncheck the play on wake. Yep, and then when we press play, we don't actually see the, we don't hear that immediate everything going at once. And then it'll work basically. We're going to set up these buttons in the next one, so we're going to create our script in the next one, and we'll put that script on our main camera.